Presentation. Presentation is another important point to consider when you're trying to be your more attractive and magnetic self. Of course, this plays an especially large role when it comes to dating and relationships, but it also plays a large role when it comes to work and business. Conventionally irresistible. Ultimately, as we've already touched upon, physical attraction comes down to looking healthy and looking confident. Women's makeup and clothing makes this clear. It is designed to accentuate the breasts and the hips, to show off long, slim legs, and to bring youthful color to the face. For men, though, the same is true. Attractive men are men who display youthful looks, but also a healthy dose of testosterone and muscle. They'll look strong and vital, but also healthy. Things like teeth, like skin, and like the brightness of our eyes help to convey this information about us and tell others that we are doing well and that we offer good genetic material. Even factors like symmetry are linked back to our health. A lack of symmetry is thought to betray difficulty in mitosis and an increased likelihood of cancer. This is why one of the most effective ways to make yourself more attractive is to improve your health. That means you should get to the gym and ensure your body is toned and strong. But it also means that you should make sure you are getting enough sleep. You should ensure that you are eating a balanced and nutritious diet, and you need to avoid stress. Spend a good amount of time outdoors, and if life leaves you feeling exhausted and beaten up, then change something. You can succeed and thrive in that condition. But don't forget the importance of looking confident. Some people might be shy to wear clothes that will show off their healthiest features if they don't feel good about how they look. For instance, a woman with large legs might not feel good about wearing shorter skirts. But this is missing the point. The point is that men love confidence because, again, that is attractive for much the same way the looks are. If you want to be thought of as sexy, then you need to act that way. And layering up with lots of jumpers is only going to obfuscate your figure more. Are you that same woman in your office who has been pining after the same guy for months, but he just isn't noticing you because he doesn't think of you in that way? And perhaps you're shy to make a move. Well, try heading into your work tomorrow wearing red lipstick with a pencil skirt, high heels, and a new bob haircut. The point here is not that you are making yourself sexy for him. The point is that you're displaying a sexuality and a confidence that is highly attractive. And this can be enough to make someone think of someone else in a new way. Guys, the same goes for wearing a suit or wearing any kind of smart shoes or watch. This will make you appear confident, and it will make you feel successful. Doing this can lead to what you've likely heard of before, the law of attraction. In other words, if you act and look successful, like a high flyer, then eventually you will become that way. Guys have this even easier because fewer men make the effort with their appearance compared with women. A guy can wear a smart jacket and stand out as a guy who makes an effort. Clothing is as much about accentuating your best features than it is about showing your confidence and your means. And at the same time, it's about demonstrating that you are aware of current trends, thus suggesting that you are in touch, which also carries status. And it's about expression. Taking care of your presentation shows that you are capable of doing so and that you are on top of things. It also shows that you value yourself, and you can't expect others to value you if you don't value yourself. Perhaps you've heard the idea that the value of your haircut should be directly proportional to the amount of money you are responsible for in your career. There is certainly some truth to this, and if you want to be taken seriously, then you need to project the right impression. Action points. Dress to impress and consider the law of attraction. Remember that what you wear is not just about emphasizing good looks, but also expressing confidence and means. Sometimes changing your look is enough to change the way people look at you. To look attractive, successful, and impressive, you need to focus on your health.